Hello everyone, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Salam Alaikum. Welcome back to Sekhar's Lab. So guys, this is your go-to space where we explore real online passive income ideas, share tips and have a little fun along the way. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey. So guys, let's dive right in. So hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write a winning proposal that grabs attention and gets you more clients. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, we have 8 golden rules for writing Upwork cover letters to get top level jobs. And actually getting top tier jobs on Upwork isn't just about having the right skills. It's about selling those skills effectively. Okay, so your cover letter is your first and sometimes only chance to make an impression. Okay, here are 8 golden rules to craft winning Upwork proposals that get responses and land high paying gigs, and I do follow mostly. Okay, so I'm going to explain these 8 rules. So first rules is very important: read the job description carefully. So let me show you. So this is a job description. Please read carefully what they are asking. I mean the job description, the scope of the work. So as per the scope of the work, we can understand what is exactly they are looking for. Okay, but most freelancers skim through job postings and send generic proposals, but I will recommend don't be that person, because identify the client's main points. Okay, main pain points, and not any special instructions, like sometimes client will mention that please, end of the description you can see, please mention blue elephant, yeah, like that, so that they can understand you have gone through the description, you have read everything. Okay, and yeah, next thing is address the job requirements directly. Okay, so the client that you have actually read their post. So that's why I will recommend read carefully everything. Okay, and the second rule is personalize your opening line. Okay, the first few sentences make or break your proposal. Avoid boring intros like hi, I'm interested in your job. Instead, use a personalized hook like I'm using. You can see hi and client name. So client name you can find from job description or client's reviews. So let me show you how to find client's name. You can find from job description. So if you won't find client name from job description, you can find from reviews. So let me find from reviews. So here we go, it's working with Irvin. So this is a client name. Okay, we can mention in our proposal. So greet with client name. Okay, and you can say like I recently worked on a similar project, if you have worked with, and would love to help you achieve specific goal. Okay, so try to mention customer's exact issue. Okay, because a strong custom opening instantly grabs attention. All right, and the third rule is focus on the client's needs, not yours. Okay, clients don't care about your dreams of freelancing success, they want solutions. So let me show you what I can do for the project, what I can do for the for the client. So like don't mention like I have been freelancing for 5 years and love working on projects like this. Okay, so you need a specific service and I can deliver it by, like that you need to mention. So you can see I have mentioned what I can do for his project, I mean for the client project. I'm ready to build professional Shopify store for e-commerce business, like including suitable business premium theme with a fresh look look with all the needed requirements for the selling operations, like formatting of the site and connecting the necessary applications. So these things I have mentioned, so it will attract the client. Okay, and also you have to do all the way. All right, so make your proposal about them, not you. Okay, and the fourth rule is highlight relevant experience with proof. Okay, instead of listing generic skills, show how you have solved similar problems before. Okay, so share a brief success story and provide a portfolio link like this. You can add your portfolio link, and also you can attach relevant work samples, like I have attached, profile reviews for the similar project. Okay, you can just capture a screenshot and you can upload the relevant similar project screen reviews, okay, for the trust. And mention any measurable results, like I increased conversion rate by 30% for a past client. You can mention here. Okay, so this is very important, and we should mention portfolio link. We can attach similar project reviews. Okay, this builds instant credibility. All right, and the fifth rule is keep it concise and schemable. Okay, clients receive tons of proposals. If yours is too long, it won't get read. Okay, so try to use short paragraphs, break text with bullet points like I did. Okay, and get straight to the point, ideally within 100 to 200 words. Okay, between opening and closing of the paragraph. So try to get straight to the point, and your proposal should be easy to scan in seconds. All right, so this is very important part of the proposal. We should we should take care about it. All right, and the sixth point is show enthusiasm without sounding desperate. Okay, excitement is great, desperation not so much. Okay, please give me a chance, I really need this job. Never mention this. Like you can mention, I would love to collaborate on this and bring my expertise to your project. All right, confidence attracts clients, begging repels them. Okay, and the seventh rule is end with a simple call to action. Okay, guide the client on the next step instead of a vague ending like hope to hear from you soon. Try a clear call to action, like would you like to discuss this in a quick call. You can mention also I have mentioned, your invitation via private chat would be highly appreciated. Okay, you can mention that, and let me know if you would like to see more samples like I have mentioned. And so a direct close makes it easier for the client to respond. Okay, and the eighth point is proofread before sending. Typos and bad grammar make you look unprofessional. Before hitting send, run your proposal through Grammarly. I do use, you can see I'm using Grammarly extension. You can install from Chrome or Edge browser. Okay, you can install. So read it out loud to catch awkward phrasing. Double check client's details, name, like you have mentioned very first of the paragraph, name. Also you can job specifics from job description. You can see that from here. And so a polished proposal boosts credibility. Okay, so think about it and take care about it. So guys, finally, winning Upwork cover letters aren't about fancy words. They are about clarity, personalization and relevance. Okay, apply these 8 golden rules and you will start landing high quality jobs consistently. So guys, which rule do you think is the most important? Drop your thoughts in the comments So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Okay, so are you just starting on Upwork or have you already landed your first client? Let me know and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you guys and have a great day. Thank you.